Hi everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to delete email account. So for that, open the email application first. Once you open the email app, tap on the profile icon on the top left and there you need to tap on settings. In the settings, you need to tap open the account and security. Tap that. Here you will have the option of delete email account. Tap on it. Apply to delete. Secure verification. To continue verification, you must set your current device as trusted device. Tap on verify now. Now a call will be made to your number and here you need to type in the missing digit of that incoming number. Type in the details. As the verification is completed, now you will need to provide a reason for why you choose to delete your account. Tap that and then tap on continue to delete. Here you will need to enter the phone number that you want to delete your email account. Type in that and then tap on next on the top right. Now here are the important notice before you delete your account. You need to go through all the information over here and then tap on agree and delete. Are you sure you want to apply to delete your account? Tap on delete and with that your account has been deleted. So this is how you can delete your email account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.